Good morning, Eicher's class.
Good morning.
Today we finished 6.2 attributes of two-dimensional shapes. Yes?
Yes.
Can you define and identify different parts of a two-dimensional shape?
Yes.
Okay. There is a boatload of vocab. I'm just going to scroll through. There are 15 vocab words here. I'm not going to go through every vocab word or our video will be an hour long. So I'm just going to highlight some of the really important new learning things that I need you to remember. You guys good with that?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to skip over those first two. If a shape has a dent in it, what kind of shape is it? It caves in, right? If a shape is sticking out, or if it's just a regular old shape with nothing sticking out, we call that kind of shape a convex shape. Nice. Oh, what are these little markers? So I have the same marker on all four sides of this shape. What does that mean? What does congruent mean? So that means that I have these congruent markers here. That means all those sides are the same, right?
Yes.
What if I have these little archy things, like on this triangle here? What are those called? They're called congruent markers too. And what does it tell us about the angles? Say again? We get the idea there? Congruent means, again, the same. Parallel. Are these lines parallel? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are these lines parallel? Yes or no?
No.
So they never intersect if they're parallel, right?
Yes.
You guys know your angles pretty well. What do these things mean? They're parallel markers. So that means that if you have those types of markers on two lines that they're parallel?
Yes.
Ooh. Is this angle right here the same as this angle right there?
No.
Is this angle right here the same as this angle right there?
Yes.
Because the angle markers match up, right?
Yes.
Oh my God, you guys are good. I think we're good there. Sides of shapes. What's a three-sided shape called?
Triangle.
What does tri mean?
Three.
What's a four-sided shape called?
Quadrilateral.
What does quad mean?
Four.
What's an eight-sided shape called?
Octagon.
What does oct mean?
8.
If I asked you to tell me as many attributes as you can about a shape, could you go back into your notes and use them to describe the shape, such as the number of sides it has, such as if it is convex or concave? You can do all of that?
Yes.
We good?
Yes.